Hello viewers, welcome to Economics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the recent corruption related index released by Transparency International. So we all dream that India has to be corruption free. So how far are we reaching with respect to this particular dream, and what is the present rank of India? Did we improve compared to the last year, or what are the top 3 states along with the worst performance, and what is the state of corruption and how it is going to impact climate change related observations we'll understand in this particular video. So here we are going to discuss about the Corruption Perception Index, which was launched recently. So by Transparency International. Transparency International has released Corruption Perception Index, right? So this is the name of the institute who released it. Then, so what is India's rank? So India ranks at 198th position in 180 list of countries. So we stand at 98th position. So that means our score is 38 out of 100. So what is the score? So we have to understand, any rank of 0 means it is highly corrupt. It is highly corrupt. And a rank of 100 indicates it is very clean. So that means we are in 38. We are having the score of 38 means we are in the corrupted zone. So what does this mean? So, and what does it simplify? So we have to understand 85% of the world's population is living in this particular score of 0 to 50. That means they're living in a highly corrupted area. At the same time, top countries which are having most corruption is South Sudan, Somalia and Venezuela. So these are the states with most corruption. At the same time, least corruption is seen in countries like Finland, Denmark and Singapore. So these are the states with minimal corruption. So what is India's performance? We have seen already out of 180 countries, in 98th position we are there. But compared to last year, we have improved or dropped in the performance, and the related observations is we have dropped in respect of our ranking. So it's not a good sign. At the same time, how this is going to impact climate change related observations. So the climate related funds and everything is getting misused. At the same time, the main focus is getting shifted from multilateralism towards protectionism. That is also going to impact climate change related policies. At the same time, corruption is also trying to change the look what we are actually having towards the climate change. That means in terms of framing of the policies, in terms of implementation, in using of the funds. At the same time, the attention is also getting diverted from multilateralism. That means as a common goal, we are shifting it towards the unilateral goal or a country specific problem. So these are all the issues associated with corruption in respect of climate change. Then what are the suggestions we have to give in the way forward? So we have to increase public engagement in terms of climate change or in terms of policy making. At the same time, we need to make more transparency and accountability into government institutions. We need to increase the trust factor also. So when we're going to vote, we have to keep a check on the person's internal whatever his internal assets are there, or what is his individual capacity, and what are the cases that are filed on that particular person. All these related things have to be observed. Then only we can achieve the dream of corruption-free India. Now let us look into the practice question. According to the Corruption Perception Index 2024, which country has perceived the most corruption with the lowest score? Out of these, which is the worst corrupted country? Choose the right option and let me know in the comment section. Then we have discussed today about the Corruption Perception Index released recently by Transparency International. What is India's ranking in this regard? What are the top performers and worst performers? At the same time, what is the corruption's impact on the climate change, and what we have to do it better? We have discussed in this particular video. So if you like the video and found informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.